Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is about equation of a straight line. And we're using this equation y is equal to mx plus c describes a straight line with gradient m, where m here is the slope and y intercepts c. Therefore, gradient of a line is equal to change in y over change of x. Let's take this example. Find the equation of the line that passes through the points 1 and 3 and then 5 and 11. Considering that 1 is the x of 1, 3 is the y of 1, and 5 is the x of 2, and 11 is y of 2. The formula of the slope is m is equals to y of 2 minus y of 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. Now, let's solve first these points, the given points. So, take the value of y of 2, we have 11, minus y of 1 is 3, over the value of x of 2 is 5, and the value of x of 1 is 1. Then simplify. So therefore we have 8 over 4. Because 11 minus 2 is 8, 5 minus 1 is 4. So therefore our slope or m, the gradients is 2. Now we already find out this. So if we put this into equation, where we have y is equals to mx plus c, we arrive y is equals to 2x plus c. But then it's not yet the end of our solution. We have to choose which among of these given points 1 and 3 and 5 and 11 to be substituted to the given equation that we found here so that we can finally give our final answer. Now, if we choose 1 and 3, so we simply substitute where we have y is equals to the value of x is 1 plus c. Since y here is 3, we change y here to 3. Okay? So 3, the value of y. And then we have to simplify. 3 equals to 2 plus c. Transpose 2 in the other side, we have 3 minus 2 equals c. Therefore, our answer c is equals to 1. And the final equation that we have is y is equals to 2x plus 1. Let's try to prove also the other side if it is correct. How about we choose 5 and 11? So we will use the equation. Y here is 11 equals to 2. The value of x is 5 plus c. So 11 is equals to 10 plus c. Transpose 10 to the side, it will become negative. So 11 minus 10 equals c. Therefore, c is equals to 1. So we arrive in the same solution. So that's it for today, and thank you very much.